And now, like I said, now he's talking about, take a look at my trailing arms in my back. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. And if you can see, from the last video, I told you I was going to be getting back on this car. Gotta get these control arms changed so I can get it out of my garage, because it's the last thing to do. So, let's jump into my brothers from another mother's Monte Carlo SS. Getting this, already got one side changed, but let me go through it with y'all. I'll show y'all how we get it done. So, gotta remember the old Roddy one. Already got this side changed out already. So we got the new outer tie rod with the sway bar end links and the new control arm already done up on this side. All I got left to do is get the inner fender put back in so we can get her moved back out to the street. And if you can see right there, I got some tubes welded up in there to make a mounting point for the fender. So the fender is now mounted. I add another piece of steel in there. But she's not moving. But I'll probably add another piece of steel. And that's from the last video. So if you're new to this video, we had to fabricate something because all that is rusted out. So I had to find some good metal up in there, weld a tube to that, and weld another tube, and weld another tube. So I had something to bolt the fender to. And for this side, we're going to jump into it. I'm going to show y'all what tools you need to get everything apart in a very fast and easy way. So, hope y'all can hear me. With this bolt right here, hope y'all can see. I get back the bolt to go right here. That's a T55 up here. This is a 21 nut. You have a nut back there. A bolt where your nut back there is a 21, as same as that top one, but the nut is an 18. You see I got my 18-inch opening on there. And y'all know that this is 18 for the tie rod end. Well, every car is different. This is an aftermarket one, so it's 18. Then you got another 18 for the one bolt or nut that's behind here that connects to your ball joint on the lower control arm. And that one, you got to take the counter pin out and use an open end 18 and just break it loose and keep going, turning it until you can drop it out. Or you can just take this whole assembly apart, get the axle out, and you get access to it a little easier. But this is a simple way I like to do it. I don't got to take a lot of stuff apart, leave all the brake stuff still on there, and get changed where I need to get changed. So I'm about to zip this on out real quick and zip on the new pieces.
I was built to last with the whims I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
All right. Got all that work done. That wasn't that of a pain. Like I said, it was 18 for that, to get that one off. A T55, 21 millimeter nut, 18 millimeter bolt with 21 millimeter nut, then the 18 millimeter back under here, right up in there, if y'all can see that. For the ball joint. Ugh. And now, like I said, now he's talking about take a look at my trailing arms in the back. So if you got to order trailing arms, he'll order them. But got the inner fender back on, got the tire back on this side. I think that's going to be a wrap. Get my garage clean, get this car pulled out and back on the street. Take a look at his trailing arms. Close the hood. Pump the brakes. So, y'all know what that means. So, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing these Monte Carlos around here. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars locally. It's all linked in the description area below. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!